Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by protecting your data. Make an iCloud backup and update iOS. Once done, pick a true black wallpaper sized for your model so the dynamic island blends in visually. Next, open Settings and disable live activities for apps that push content to the island. This prevents persistent widgets from reactivating it. These steps don't remove hardware, but they immediately reduce visibility and activity. Make sure to keep your phone on its latest firmware so visuals stay consistent. Now refine how content reaches that top region. Create a focus mode that hides notifications and banners. Enable it for general use so nothing occupies the island area. If the stock black wallpaper isn't perfect, design a custom image with a black strip exactly matching the island height. Apply for lock and home screens. Then go through Settings notifications and disable banners for apps that still trigger the top area. This combination minimizes movement and makes the island visually disappear. Finish by testing. Place a call, start music, and set a timer to see whether the island activates. If you still see movement or icons, restart the iPhone and reapply the black wallpaper and focus settings. Temporary glitches often clear with a reboot. If notifications reappear unexpectedly, revisit each app's live activity and banner settings. As a last resort, use a slim black case to mask the area or contact Apple support. This addresses hardware or iOS behavior you can't change from settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.